welcome you all. Today we are going to see about random password generator using Python. Here, in today's digital landscape, securing your accounts is critical. Weak passwords are major vulnerability. This presentation introduces a Python-based random password generator, a tool to strengthen our online defenses. My name is Riyaz. The high stakes of password security, weakest dreams, a weak passwords or weakest hacker's dream. Did you know 60% of people reuse passwords? Hackers exploit these via brute force attacks. A strong password is your first line of defense. This makes the hackers very easy to hack our computer. Thus, a cost of breach. Data breaches is expensive in 2024. The average breach costs us 4.45 million. Prevention is far cheaper than recovery. Hence, we are going to the next session. Why random password generators? Why we are using the random password generator codes? Eliminate biasing. Generators avoid predictable patterns human create. This means that the human mind always creates a password based on their own patterns. These program avoids that and gives different patterns at um, patterns at different times. Increases complexity, combines letters, numbers and symbols for strength, and combines and the order of combining should be varies with time. Save time. Instant secure passwords secures without a guesswork. Core Python concepts. Hence, we are going to see about what are the modules and variables that we have used in our program. Here we have used the random module package. Here the random module package generates characters in a random manner. Here we are going to use the random characters in our passwords. String module. This string module provides methods of its own to create a password and then display to us. Secrets modules. This module helps us to generate the password and combine the digits and characters. Building a password generator. How to create this program? Here we have import the first we should import the modules, random module and string module, and then we have to define the letters, numbers, symbols, and we should ask the user to include the if they want to include the letters, numbers. If they want, they can include it, otherwise they can omit it. Get length. If the users enters the length, then it can be taken as 1. If it is not, if the user didn't enter that, then we can move to the default one, that a password must have default password length of 12. If the user enters a password length less than 12, then it prompts the user to generate the error. Password length is less than 4, so we have to re-enter it. Okay, generate. If we and then we click the generate, it combines the random passwords, characters, digits, and then gives us a random password. Example: a strong password. Here the generator, I have displayed the generator password. It consists of combination of alphabets, special characters, digits. Why it is strong? Mixes upper and lower case characters, so that only it becomes strong. Okay, then comparison. If we set a password like password 123, it becomes easier to hacker. Then hacker to send malicious code to a computer, and then he can easily retrieve our personal data, and the results will be fatal. Then we have to avoid that. Okay, so that only we should use a random password generator to set our passwords. Set up security today. Strong, unpredictable passwords can be generated using this program. Eliminate human errors. This can be used to eliminate the human errors. If a human made a passwords by relying on their old pattern, then it would be easier for the hacker to easily retrieve the data. Some old people, you know about that, old people rely on very easy and easier passwords for their bank accounts, UPI transactions. That may be easier to the hacker to send malicious code to our messenger app and then easily retrieve the data. That should not be done. So okay, so that we can move to the next session. Quick and efficient. It generates the password in a quicker manner so that we can use it for multiple purposes. Okay, thank you. Next we go to the program session. Here in that I will explain how the random password generator program works, and then I display the output. Thank you. Good morning, one and all. Here I have created a program that generates password randomly. Here how it works. First I run this module. Here it first takes the length of the password. Minimum length is 4 characters, maximum length as per our wish. Just here I mentioned 12, length is 12 characters, and then press enter. It asks us as to include digits or not. If you want to include digits, give yes and then enter. Include. It asks us for special characters. Is it wants special characters, we can include it by pressing Y. Then here we can see the password. Generate a password. Here the length of the password would be 12 characters. How it works, here we would see how it works. First, I have imported the random module that generates numbers in randomly, and then I have imported the string module also. I have defined a user defined function called generate password, having three parameters. One is digits, one is digits, and another one is length. Here I have mentioned length is equal to all. It takes a default argument if no length is given, and then user digits equal to true mentions if digits I have now. If I didn't mention use digits parameter, then it takes default value as true, and then I have included use special characters also, default parameter as true, and then I have created a variable characters that stores all ASCII characters from A to Z, capital A to Z to small a to Z. If use digits is true, then it includes characters in the string and also digits in the string. If use characters is equal to true, then it also includes punctuation marks and characters. If length less than 4, then it raise error. Password length should be at least 4 characters. And then if it is password from that, if it is password from if condition, then it stores the password and join the password using join function. Here here the main function is equal to the global function. Then it takes input length and also input digits true or false. It also takes input digits as true or false. Then the input digits is passed to the user defined function and the password generated for our wish. Thank you.